Welcome to House of Accounts. In this video we are going to see the hire purchase and installment purchase system from advanced accounting. If you like the videos, you can subscribe to channel House of Accounts. Okay, so we are going to see the next question. Okay, so let's not waste the time, let's start the question. Manoj purchased machinery under hire purchase system from Pankaj. The cash price of the machine was 15,500. The payment for the purchase is to be made as under. On signing the agreement, 3,000 for year ended 5,000, first year ended 5,000, second year ended 5,000, third year ended 5,000. Calculate the interest included in each installment. Means the interest is already included in each installment, so there is equal installment, so interest also it is totally became 5,000, otherwise the installment is different, interest is different, so we have to find the interest. Okay, first how to find the interest, let's go for solution. First what we have to write is 15,500 is the amount. Okay, total 15,500 is the amount. Look, if you are paying here 5,000, here 5,000, 10,000, this is 5,000, 15,000 plus 3,000 means total overall 18,000 is there. Okay, overall 18,000 means price of the machine was only 15,500, means the overall interest we have paid is 2,500, we have paid the extra amount. So we have to find the 2,500 that is included 3 interest. Okay, how we have to find this? Okay, first look, we don't know the amount, so go with the down payment. Down payment is 3,000 here. Okay, don't go with the balance. First installment right here 5,000. Okay, second installment also the balance also don't write here. Okay, second installment how much, that is also 5,000. Okay, now third year installment also 5,000, means after paying the third year installment 5,000, the balance will be 0. So after paying 5,000 means the balance here, after adding interest, the balance will be 5,000. So write 5,000 here, means the remaining 5,000 this much we have to pay, so that's why we have paid the last installment 5,000, that after that it became the 0. Okay, so after 5,000 means something amount will be there. Okay, we don't know because interest is completely nil. Here interest is completely nil because interest is already included installment. So right here how much amount, the 5,000 balance. Okay, balance is 5,000, that 5,000 transferred to here, and after we have paid the interest plus installment. Okay, here 5,000 was remaining balance. So how these 5,000 came? After deducting second installment. After deducting second installment means it was 10,000, means it was 10,000. So there is no interest, means we have 10,000 balance here, means the same balance will be here also 10,000. Okay, so how these 10,000 came? How these 10,000 came means after deducting this first installment. So before deduction it was 15,000. Before deduction it was 15,000. At that time also balance interest is nil. So before interest also it was 15,000. Okay, so this 15,000 came after deduction of down payment. Means before deduction how much it was 18,000. So the cash price was totally 18,000 with interest. So now we have to find the interest. Okay. Okay, so how we have to find, look, first how much the amount after deducting down payment, 15,000. Okay, so I'm taking here I'm writing here interest amount. Okay, interest only I'm writing here. Okay, the interest. Okay, how to calculate this interest? Here, first here how much after paying the down payment, 15,000 we have to pay. On this 15,000 we have to take the interest here. So right here 15,000. Okay, so right here this one is 15,000. Okay, and here after, see, after first installment the balance was 10,000, then we have to take the interest. So on this 10,000 we have to take the interest. So right here 10,000, and the third one, after deducting second installment the balance was 5,000. On this 5,000 we have to take add the interest. So right here 5,000. Okay, this 5 on this 15,000, 10,000, 5,000 we have to calculate the interest. So what we have to do is, first we have to remove the common zeros. For example, here see there is a 3 zeros. Okay, what we have to do is we have to remove the common zeros. Okay, means this one we have to remove this common zeros, only common zeros, this one, and here also common zeros. So how much, how it will become like 15, 10, 5, means that will be or else we can also take this one into ratio, so for better understanding. So after deducting, removing 0, how much? It's 15, 10 and 5, means on which table it will go? 15 table. It will deduct 15 table, like 15 ones are, okay, and 15 twos are, okay, and this is 15 threes are, means 3 into 2 into 1. This is the ratio we have to do, and divide by overall adding means 6. Okay, so right here 3 into 2 into 1. This is the ratio we have to do. Here how much is the remaining balance? Means overall 18,000 is there, but balance is given, cash price is 15,500. Here you can see how much is the cash price, 15,500, but overall this 5,000, 5,000, 5,000, 15,000 plus down payment 3,000, means overall 18,000 we have paid. So right here, so after deducting this, how much we are getting? 2,500. On this 2,000 into first how much? 3 divided by 6. Okay, how much we are getting? Into 3 divided by, so let's go to calculator. 2000 2500 into 3 divided by 6, how much? 1250. we are getting 1250. okay, the same thing we have to go for second. Okay, go for second. Okay, 2500 into 2 divided by 6 is equal to how much we are getting? Let's check on calculator. 2500 into 2 divided by 6, 833. how much we are getting? 833. okay, now take 2500 into 1 divided by 6, how much we are getting? Let's check on calculator. 2500 into 1 divided by 6, it's 416, or you can write 417, 417. okay, this is the interest amount. okay, these are the interest amount which we have to pay. 417, 833 and 1250. these are the interest amount we have to pay. Okay, now let's go to the next question. This is how we have to calculate when the interest is already included in installment also. It's very easy, it's not very tough, so you can do easily. So now let's go to another question. Okay, for example, here see, on the basis of following information, ascertain the interest included in each installment. Cash price 9,000, initial payment 3,000, balance in 3 installment 3,000. Cash price also, cash price 9,000, 3 installment we are giving in how much? 3 installment. 3 means 9, plus down payment means 12,000. so overall we are paying 12,000. okay, each payable at the end of the year, means interest is included. So let's start from here. okay, let's write first down payment. how much? It's 3,000 down payment. okay, first installment how much? 3,000. okay, and second installment also 3,000, and third installment also 3,000. okay, means after paying third installment definitely it will become 0. so before paying third installment means there is 3,000 only we have to pay. We are paying 3,000, then it will become 0, means 3,000 was the amount, that's why we have paid 3,000. so before, okay, how much balance is? 3,000. means there is no interest. There is no interest means how much was balance? The same 3,000. so here 3,000 balance means it will appear here as a 3,000, then we have paid 3,000. so before, okay, after deducting the second installment we got balance, means before that it was how much? 6,000. okay, there is no interest, completely there is no interest, means balance was also same 6,000. the here balance 6,000 means it was here also 6,000, that's why, because there is no add or less. okay, now this 6,000 came after deducting first installment, means before it was 9,000. check, is there any interest? Interest is already included in installment, means before interest also same 9,000. okay, before interest also 9,000. Means how before balance this 9,000 came after deducting down payment. Means before deducting how much it was, 3,000. So add 12,000, add this 3,000 to 9,000, then it will become 12,000. Means the original cash we have paid 12,000. Now we have to find the interest amount. Okay, we have to find the interest amount. Let's find it. Interest okay, how much? Means 3,000 we are getting extra, how much? 9,000, but we are getting how much? 3,000. Means overall the amount is 3,000. We have to divide. First, before 3,000, check after paying down payment how much was the amount. The amount was 9,000. After paying first installment 6,000. After paying 3,000. So right here 9,000 into 6,000 into 3,000. Okay, okay, in the ratio. Okay, so this is how we have to do. So what we have to do is we have to deduct the common zero. How much? These are the common zeros. Okay, so the remaining is 9. The remaining is 9, 6, 3 is there. Okay, so it will leave easily. 9, 6, 6 into 3. So this is the we got. So with this 3 table we can get 3 3s are 9, then 3 2s are 6, then 3 1s are 3. So overall 3 2 1. So same we have to do. First, how much the remaining amount? Total amount is 12,000. Okay, minus 9,000. So we got 3,000 as balance. Okay, so right here first interest 3,000 into 3 divided by 6. So 1800 will come. Let's see, 3,000 into 3 divided by 6 means it will appear, okay, sorry, 1,500, right? How much? It's 1,500. Now for second, 3,000 into 2 divided by 6, you will get 1,000. Okay, now 3,000 into 1 divided by 6, you will get 500. Okay, these are the interest amount. These are the interest amount. 500, 1,000 and final 1,500. First year, second year 1,000, third year 500. Okay, this is the way we have to do. Both the questions are very same. Now let's go to the question number second. Okay, the machine, the cash price of which is 1,800 is sold on hire purchase system for 2,000, payable in 4 quarterly installment of 500 each. Okay, it is sold for 2000. 1800 machine was sold to 2000. 500 each installment we have to pay as a quarterly. The first installment is paid at the end of the first quarter. Show the amount of interest included in each installment. So we have to calculate each installment interest. The same thing we have to do. Okay, means every time we are paying installments only, but there is no down payment. So first write. Okay, so we have, how much we have sold? We have sold for 2000. There is no down payment. Down payment is nil, so balance is 2000 only. Okay, there is no interest. Okay, balance will be 2000 only. Okay, and the first installment is 500, then the balance is 1500. Okay, 1500. Now what we have to do? We have to pay the interest. We don't have any interest. What we have to do? Balance amount. Balance how much? 1500 only. So the second installment we have to pay, that is 500. So now we have to go for balance. After paying 500, we got 1000 remaining. So interest is completely nil. So after that, balance is also same, 1000. Okay, so the third installment we have to pay. After paying third installment, we have to go for fourth installment also. Means here, after paying the third installment, the remaining balance will be how much? 500, the remaining balance. Okay, how much? 500. So first, third year, okay, third, it is fourth, it's not a third. Okay, fourth year interest we have to pay, but what we have, the interest is already included in installment, so there is no interest. So the balance will be same, 500 we have to pay. So now what we have to do is we have to pay the fourth installment. Okay, the balance will be same, 500, and now we are paying 500 as fourth installment. So after paying fourth installment, the present value what we have to pay totally is 0. So one by one we have to pay like this. First 2000 is a cash price. There is no down payment, balance 2000, so there is no interest, directly balance will be brought forward 2000. Then first installment, then 1500 will become, there is no interest, then again first, now it became 1000, so there is no interest, again it became 1000 only. Now the third installment 500, so final the 500 will be the balance. So the fourth 500 installment we have paid so far, so it is totally 0. What we have to do is first we have to calculate, okay, calculate the extra amount. Okay, see, there is no first year balance is 1500. Okay, what we have to do is we have to write some working note. Interest calculation. Okay, see, first year on 2000 we have to pay interest, and second year 1500 we have to pay, third year 1000 we have, on 1000 we have to pay, fourth year on 500, on 500 we have to pay. So take here 2000, 2000, 1500 each to 1000 each to 500. So on these amounts we have to pay the interest, but here we have to remove the common zeros. This is 20, 20, 20 and 20. So now it become 20, 15, 10 and 5. Okay, means 20, 15 and 10 and 5. This is the ratio. So let's show 20 inch to 15 inch to 10 inch to 5. Which, on which table it will be, we can detect this one, 5 table. Okay, 5 4s are 20, 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10, 5 1s are 5. So overall 10 plus 3 7, 8 9 10. So overall 10. So now what we have to do is, we have to take how much extra it is. See, 2000 and it is given 1800 only cash price, means 200 extra we have paid the interest. So let's come here, how much this one, 200 into 4 divided by 10. How much we are getting, 200 into 4 divided by 10, it's EIT. How much? EIT. Alright, now 200 into 3 divided by 10. How much? Let's calculate. 200 into 3 divided by 10, it's 60. So right here 60. Now third interest, third year interest, 200 into 2 divided by 10. So it is, how much? Calculate here. See, 4 means 80, 2 means half, means 40. Now the last, 200 into 1 divided by 10 is equal to, okay, it will also very easy. For example, 200 into 1 divided by 10, how much? 20. So we have got 20. So these are the interest amount we have to pay. 20, 40 means we already paid, but we are calculating this one. Okay, 60 and 80. These are the amount we have paid as a interest. So this is the question number 6. 6 we have solved. Okay, there is no down payment. The interest is calculate on whatever the remaining amount we have to pay. This is a calculation also very important, interest calculation.